Hi guys, this is Joseph Coronado of Joseph Forex Tribe, and for today's video, let's talk about prop firm. So how you can start in prop firm. So basically, we have many websites to avail the prop firm challenge. So sa ginagamit natin, we are using this one, Sinova Funding. So we have also meron ding mga like si Cortana, Quantex. So yan yung mga ginagamit natin din. Pero for this example, ito na kasi proven na nakapag-payout tayo. So Sinova Funding. So first step is go to this website, nova-funding.com. Then ang gagawin lang natin is mag-purchase ng challenge. Okay, so go ahead here. So ito, they have the 25,000 evaluation. Ang cost nito is $297. Sa 50,000 naman, $397. Sa 100,000, $597. And sa 200,000, ito yung $997. So basically to save, para ma-maximize natin yung account natin and to earn more, and para maiwas din sa mga big drawdowns. So we highly recommend the 200k account, pero yun nga lang is pricey siya. So 997, so around 58,000 ganyan. So yan. So kung walang budget, pwede naman si 25,000. So but we recommend this one. So i-avail lang natin yan. So once na avail mo na yan, so pilapan mo lang din yan your Mr., your full name, last name, email, phone number, country. Then mapuproceed yan dun sa payment niya. Alright, so we can use credit card or crypto as your payment. So pag nakapag-avail ka na yan, ang gagawin mo lang, isend mo sa akin yung MT4 na sinend ni Nova, kasi gagawin natin, ipapass pa natin yan. So dun sa passing, we have passing fee. Ang regular rate nun is $200, but for today's promo, we give this for only $100 or around 5,500 pesos sa if you choose cash payment. So ganoon lang, ipasa mo yung MT4 mo, yan ipapas natin. Once pass na yan, dun mo lang babayaran yung passing fee. So we have also option to fund your or to trade your funded account. So ang ano naman doon, ang terms naman doon, 50-50 split tayo doon. So anong kinita nung prop firm doon sa live account mo, 50-50 tayo doon. So make sure to check out also the FAQ, kasi for example, nag-gain tayo ng $100,000 for 1 month. So hindi mag 50-50 profit split si prop firm. So mawi-withdraw natin doon is 500 na lang. So from 500, so we have profit split, so tag 250 tayo doon. Then also you need to pay for the yearly BPS, costly $100. Then so ayun, so ganun lang. So again, disclaimer, Forex is not for everyone. Forex is high risk business, so invest only what you can afford to lose. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Facebook. So see you, bye bye.